Good day, viewers. Today I'm going to talk on how to use Tamiowu, Susumansa, and Yachirwa. That's a Confemtico. These three herbs are divine protection with one secret ingredient I will show you later on. This years around, if you're a new person here, I want you to subscribe and share this video. I need more subscribers. This one shows a lot of. This one does so many divine protection. This is a Tamiowu. You get Yachirwa. That's a Confemtico. Then you get Susumansa leaves. These three herbs together. You will. First of all, if you are in the especially this system of years where a lot of criminals, evil forces are all over the place, if you get this one, these three herbs together with one secret ingredient of which I'll disclose later on this video, if you want divine protection wherever you go, no witch, no evil will touch you, no accident, no evil force, no demon will able to touch you. You get these three herbs together. You get the Tamiowu, Susumansa leaves, one of the 7 petals leaves or 9 petal leaves, and you get your Yachirwa. That's Yachirwa. That's a Confemtico. If you go to the plant, give a coin or salt or corn flour to it or sugar to the plant and ask of it before you can remove them. You don't just go and remove it like way so that it becomes spiritual. So if you get this formula, you get these three herbs together. I get in it. Then you will fold them like this. You will fold them together, mix them together. I get in it with the Tamiowu. Mix them like this together. You fold them together like this. After you fold them, I get in it. You get your white thread. Get your white thread. You fold them together. This is a Tamiowu. You get the Susumansa. You get the Yachirwa. That's a Confemtico. You add them together. This one, you make sure it will make it like a talisman. It will always be in your pocket. No evil will reach you. No gun, no demon, no witch or wizard will be able to touch you. If you are traveling, if you are a driver, and this one you do this formula as a driver, no accident will come across you. Anytime there's good for accident, it will wake you up and help you, and no accident, no demon, no curse. Anyone who rain curse against you will return back to sender. Then you get 7 pieces of needles and add to it. 7 pieces of needles and add to this. Then you get this white thread. Then you will fold it. You'll be folding it. You get your white thread. You will fold it together. You're going to remove the thread. You fold it together. Get your white thread and fold the three herbs: the Tamiowu, the Susumansa, and the Yachirwa. That's the Confemtico. Then you fold this. I get in it. As you are folding it, you are folding it, you are folding it, you are folding it, you are folding it. You fold it well. Fold it together. I get in it. You fold the three herbs together like this. I get in it. And make sure the needles are inside. 7 needles. 7 needles or 3 needles here. Or 22 needles. Add them here. Fold it. I get in it. Then you tie it. This one is for protection. Nowadays, a lot of evil is happening. So we policemen, soldiers, You fold it and make it a talisman like this. I get in it. Then the last and not the least, you get your, that's the most secret ingredient too. You add to it. Oh no, I was just holding this thing here. You get the one last secret ingredient. What is it? If you're a new person, you want to subscribe. After these 3 herbs, the Tamiowu, the Aconfemtico, and the Susumansa, you get your alligator pepper. Add to it. I get in it. Alligator pepper is added. And make sure the 7 or 3 needles are already there. Then add it. Get the small one, the small alligator pepper, full one. Don't break it. Let it be there. It's protection. Tie it like this together. This one, when this is with you, you can never get accident again. If your color is white, use white color to tie. If your color is red, use red to tie it. If your color is black, use black to tie it. But if you want the universal color, use white. This one, it will protect you against gunshots, it will protect you against accident, it will protect you against witches and wizards. Any witch that want to tempt you will die. This one, no accident will reach you. If you are traveling, you're having your car, make sure this one is with you. No accident can come to your vehicle. No one can even dream of using this car to touch. It will save you. It will give you good luck against accidents. If you are playing games, game of chances, and this one is with you, you have favor. You'll be winning. Especially in the Las Vegas in US. I do it for my friends in Vegas in US. I do it for my friends in Burkina Faso. I do it for my friends in Sierra Leone, and I did it for some friends in Cote d'Ivoire. This one to give you luck in lotto, in game of chances. The one you put the coins and press, you'll be winning. So after you tie it this way, that's all. It will be in your pocket forever.